folks at home. It's been a while since we've had some news. Our studio was flooded. Now we are up and running again with some exciting new news. The legendary hero we all loved lives. RIP. Some default spotted him running through misty meadows. He was with a mysterious black figure who we don't know much about. Here's some images. Thanks, Jerry. As you can see from the image Jerry pulled up, we can clearly see it's Drift. I think there's still hope for us all. Maybe even the clown Night-Night is alive. Drift's best friend.
So, he lives. Well. Time for me to find...
I need to hide. They already got John Wick. Wait, is that a temple? Maybe they can help me. Help! Hello! Help! Hello?
Who's this?
I'm being hunted by criminals. Can I stay here?
I guess so. Let me bring you to my instructor.
Thank you.
Master, we have a guest.
Oh. Hello there.
Do we keep him?
What kind of question is that? I sense power in you.
I heard screaming again. Did you have another vision?
Yes. I'm going to find this man. I need answers. I want to know what's going on.
No, you're not in a good state.
Where's purple-haired man going?
He wants to find your daddy's friend too.
Do they want a play date?
Not quite.
I don't care. I'm going to find them.
Stupid purple-haired man.
Well, we're coming too. We have to find his father anyway.
Fine.
Oh, scary! Oh, shiver my timbers!
Find Drift.
I think Guilty will be here, but I sense a dark presence.
Good, but I see someone else.
Wait, no, they can't have seen us. How did they find us?
Well, for once, you're wrong.
Looks like we found our little shadow creep.
Time for me to harness two powers today. I shall strip both of you of your powers.
Well, I can't do much besides shoot.
Time to burn.
It burns.
Get up, Drift.
I can't fight without my powers.
Where are your powers now, little lightning wielder? Take this.
Stay clear from him before I finish you right where you stand tonight.
Husband, help!
Take this.
Now it's your turn to feel the pain, Scuba Boy.
What about Jonesy?
He'll come.
Haha! Drive!
We'll get them. I know where they'll go. They can't run forever.
It seems awfully quiet around here. I hope he's just hiding. Kit? Kit? We're back! Are you here? Oh no. Jules, I can't find him anywhere. He's not here!
He'll turn up, I promise.
I can't lose him too!
I think someone else was here. The gate is destroyed.
Someone tried to get my son?
Yes, but it looks like he escaped. Why else would the gate be destroyed?
Let's try and follow this trail and see where it leads.
Sounds good.
I see a boat. I see a motion. It's drift.